Hi, I'm Billie Moffat, Director of Studio 270, and today I'm here to tell you about one of the most amazing online tools we have at the Gail Borden Public Library, and that's Tutor.com. With Tutor.com, elementary, middle, and high school students can connect with a live tutor one-on-one from the hours of 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. 7 days a week. But there's so much more. With a Gail Borden library card, you can create a Tutor.com account. And from there, you can save past tutoring sessions, save a favorite tutor. You can also send essays and resumes for review, take practice tests, prep for the SAT, ACT, GRE, or other graduate exams, prep for AP exams, and much more. Tutor.com is a valuable tool that will give you an amazing amount of assistance for students and parents alike. So let's head over to the library website and check out Tutor.com. From gailborden.info, select Books and More. Scroll down and click on 24/7 eLibrary. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the For Kids section and click on Tutor.com. Scroll down and select the Tutor.com desktop portal. From here, we can connect with a tutor live. First, pick your subject from math, science, English, Spanish, test prep, and more. With each topic, you can also select a subject. Select your grade. You can choose between kindergarten all the way through 12th grade, college intro, or adult. Enter in your 5-digit zip code. You can choose to have a tutor with voice chat capabilities now. Now type in your question. And click Connect Now. By creating a Tutor.com account, you can save your sessions to access later. You can save your favorite tutors. You can also submit a paper for review. You can submit an essay, a paper, or a resume for a tutor to review and return to you within 12 hours. You can take a practice quiz in a variety of subjects, including math, English, biology, physics, and the ASVAB test for military placement. You can practice for the SAT or SAT, taking full-length practice tests, getting detailed score reports. There are video lessons to enhance your skills so you can increase your score before you have to take the test. You can also practice for graduate school tests, including the GRE, the GMAT, LSAT, and the MCATs. You can also prep for AP exams if you're in an advanced placement class. There are also many videos to watch for math and English excellence. Tutor.com is a great place to receive help in a variety of subjects and grade levels. If you have more questions about Tutor.com, please visit the Contact Us page, and a librarian can assist you by email or text message. Thank you so much, and have a great time exploring all of the resources at gailborden.info.